In my world, I don't worry, darling. I just smile, 'cause you're by my side. And now your eyes open.
Hello guys, look at Kobe over there just scratching his face. His allergies are kind of acting up this past week for some reason. So I'm just thinking of taking him outside, and I do want to go to the park, Central Park, because it is such a beautiful day. I have on this huge book bag. It has my my blanket for the picnic, and it has my lunch, Kobe's like water bowl, my tripod, because I'm thinking maybe I can take some pictures by myself, so that is why it is so gigantic. My hydro flask for myself and Kobe. This should be enough, hopefully. And I wanted to bring the vlogging camera with me, but I feel like it might be too much, so I might just vlog on my phone for a little bit. Okay. I look like I'm going to like class or something.
Tell me that it's my fault that it's over. Wish I played it different, I didn't know. All the times that you call me to be closer. Wish I paid attention, I should have known. You're probably with your friends, dancing on tabletops. Hands in his hair already, saying that you forgot about me. I just don't wanna know who you give your love to.
Oh, it is so dark. I just finished running a few errands, and I'm like around the Union Square area, so I thought I would check out some of the thrift shops. So I think I'm gonna go to Beacon's Closet first. I kind of want to see if they have like a certain type of mini skirt, so I'm gonna check that out. And then there's also like a Goodwill kind of close by, so I'm gonna go there too. It is really hot today. I'm like so sweaty, but if I'm in the area, I just want to see what they have. Okay, I just got home and I got a few items. The bag looks huge, but I actually only got like 3 things. So I only went to 2 stores. I went to Beacon's Closet and Goodwill because they are literally like a block away from each other. From Goodwill, I got this super cute skirt. It's just like a mini black skirt, and I've been kind of looking for something like this, like a little black skirt that I can wear in the fall time. I think it will look really cute with some Doc Martens or some like boots in general. And I got this for $7.99, so pretty good. And then the other thing that I got from Goodwill, surprise, surprise, it is a oversized button-up gray and white stripes. I thought it was pretty cute, and the material is like really soft. This is actually in a size extra, extra large, and I got this shirt for $7.99 as well, so that was really good. I love Goodwill for like their oversized shirts. They have like such a huge selection. And then from Beacon's Closet, I love Beacon's Closet, but I feel like it could be a little like overwhelming sometimes, just because there are so many racks and the place is pretty small. So I didn't want to stay in there for too long because there were a couple of people in there. So I did find this little gray sweatshirt, which I thought was super cute. I'm probably going to crop this. I would say Beacon's Closet is definitely one of the more pricier thrift stores. So I did get this for $16.95, which definitely is a little much for something thrifted. If you guys didn't see my little like thrifting vlog from maybe like a month ago, I like went thrifting in a couple of thrift stores in the city and I got some really cool stuff. So if you're interested, I'll link it down below. I also share like some other thrift stores, so I'm thinking about doing another maybe like thrift vlog kind of thing, but instead of this city, I was thinking about going to Brooklyn because they have some really cool thrift shops. So if you're interested in that, let me know. I think that would be a really fun video. So yeah, okay, I'm gonna shower now because I am sticky and sweaty as hell. Hi guys, happy Tuesday. I think, or sometimes like the days are just getting so mixed up, but I just filmed a video, and honestly after I filmed, the apartment is such a mess because I live in such a small studio apartment. Every single time I film, I kind of just have to move things around and kind of just get like a blank wall or something like that. Done with filming the video for today, and I'm probably just going to clean and edit for the rest of the day. So I actually get so many questions from you guys on what I use to edit, how I edit my videos, and how to start a YouTube channel if you don't know how to edit videos. So today I kind of want to talk to you guys about that. This video is actually sponsored by Skillshare, and Skillshare is something that I have used in the past and I still continue to use it because it is really honestly so helpful. If you don't know about Skillshare, it is a online learning community with tons of classes to choose from. There are so many classes, from graphic design classes to film classes to UI UX design classes. So personally for me, I love it for the film classes and also graphic design classes. So most of the time my videos are edited with Final Cut Pro, but I am trying to transition over to Adobe Premiere just because you can do so much more on it. So I know the Adobe Premiere Pro basics, but I definitely have so much to learn, so I've been loving the classes on Skillshare for that. I took a class the other day and it was only 20 minutes, and it's called the Premiere Pro Basics Best Tips for Content Creators by Benjamin Ortega. It really just refreshed my memory on all of the Premiere Pro basics that I forgot. And Skillshare offers thousands of inspiring classes for creatives in so many different topics, and actually a lot of the classes are under 60 minutes, so you can definitely do it with any schedule. And I know a lot of us are working from home now and spending more time at home, so I think this is such a great time to learn a new skill or brush up on a skill that you've forgotten. Skillshare is actually so affordable. It is $10 a month, and if you are thinking about checking it out, I do have a link in my description box that will actually give you 2 months of Skillshare Premium for free. So yeah, definitely check it out if you are thinking about video editing or even learning any new creative skill. For those of you that do reach out to me and ask how to start a YouTube channel, I would say the first step is always to just go for it, to just do it. That is definitely the hardest part. And let me know if you guys want me to maybe talk a little bit more about my YouTube journey, how I started my channel, and kind of just share advice from my own personal experience. I feel like that's always a great thing to hear, and then maybe in future vlogs we could talk about like other topics as well. Okay, so I really have to clean up my apartment now, so get ready for a little time lapse of cleaning it. Making some dinner now. Honestly, it's not much that we're cooking tonight. So I have the rice going, and I just minced some garlic, and I have my string beans. I'm just gonna kind of do like a spicy stir fry string beans kind of thing. It's kind of just like a Chinese dish that my mom always made, and I'm really craving it. So I went to get their ingredients for it, and she like taught me how to make it. And then she actually made me some like marinated like pork chops. Okay, so I just put in some oil and the garlic, and I'm gonna add some of this. Been loving to put this into stuff to make it more spicy. It is the chili oil with black bean, and it's called Lao Ganma, and you can find it at any like Chinese supermarket. Add like a good spoonful of this. Okay, this is what it looks like after. Let's do a little taste test. I just added a little bit of salt for seasoning. And then we have the pork chops, and then the rice. Such a good like homemade meal. It is Labor Day today, and Samson and I are going to take the ferry to Governor's Island and kind of just like spend the afternoon there. It's already a little bit late, it's like noon already, but we're gonna bike down and take the ferry, maybe get something to eat there as well. You ready?
What are you doing?
I'm vlogging! Okay, well, that was a fail. I did not realize that it was 2-day in advance booking, so we biked all the way down here for 40 minutes for nothing. So now we're just walking around Seaport.
In my world, I don't worry, darling. I just smile, 'cause you're by my side. And now your eyes open up every morning to the love that shines in mine. And I see it in yours too. So now I sing to you. And when you go and leave me here all alone, I'll be waiting, we can make it, because I know that after all this time, you'll read between these lines. Feeling fine, 'cause you said this is all you want.
Just grabbed a chai latte. Now we're actually gonna head to a thrift shop. I think I actually thrifted like earlier in this vlog. There is a giant Beacons closet here, so I definitely want to check that out because I love the one in the city. Hopefully I can find something cute. I think it's a lot bigger than the one in the city. Kind of excited actually, and it's her first time thrifting, right?
I kind of want to get like blazers since it's almost fall.
Yeah, and like oversized shirts.
Yeah, this is hers.
Yeah, she's wearing mine. But yeah, you guys know I love those like oversized shirts, so hopefully I can find some. Usually like I go to like the men's section and get like the extra large ones.
That's probably smart.
Yeah.
Feeling fine, 'cause you said this is all you want. No more playing, playing, playing all this. Waiting, waiting, waiting. I call you mine. I know you feel the same as I do. No more playing, wishing, waiting. I was taking, 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 baby. Reminiscing on the time when we first met. I was tongue-tied, stupefied. What was it that I said? Probably something foolish that didn't make much sense, but you remembered a year later when I saw you next.